Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of clean and decorate. So come on with me, guys. All right, so because of my busy schedule, I need to do things by area. So I'm going to go ahead and take some stuff down in the entryway and probably in the corner in my dining room. Not sure. Let's see. So it does seem that usually we're putting stuff up, we're taking stuff down. So now we're taking down Christmas and we're getting ready for Valentine's Day and whatever else is coming. So I'm going to start out here, as I said, in my entryway, and I'm really keeping this very simple, guys. Just wiping stuff down, removing all the Christmas decor, and then just kind of leaving it nice, fresh, and simple. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels, and I will be linking those down below in the description box. So aren't these roses absolutely gorgeous? I am loving them, and you won't believe where I purchased them. Okay, I got them from the plus section of the Dollar Tree. They usually come out probably twice a year, Mother's Day and Valentine's Day, and they're long stem artificial roses. Now I got them for $3 a bunch last year. I don't know exactly how much they are this year, but I think they're worth it. Look how beautiful they look and realistic. And the wonderful thing about these roses is they come with the baby's breath, and only 2 bunches filled up this vase. This was amazing. I should have grabbed more. So here we are. I'm in a corner here in the dining room. I have a shelf unit here. So we're going to go ahead and take this Christmas stuff down from here. And it is cloudy, guys, so I don't have enough lighting. So I hope that you can, that you can see this relatively good. Now, it's not so easy maneuvering this camera when it comes to this unit because of how long it is. And so I have to keep moving the camera, in the angle and area where I'm working. So what do I do with all of these DIYs that I created during Christmas time? I usually donate them to the Goodwill, unless it's something I really, really love. Now the shelf unit is really nice for filling up this area here. And I also have like a console table right next to it, but we're gonna do that on a different day. Now, I usually clean with the Awesome Wood Cleaner. It's just a refreshing type of cleaner. I did purchase it at the Dollar Tree, and I love using it, okay? And it's just a nice scent, guys. I think that you would really like it, so I would recommend it. didn't this come out absolutely beautiful, guys? I think it did. And this is nice because it represents the winter. I have the little snowball there and my apothecary jars. I think it looks nice. Simple enough that we can keep it moving, guys. Now, yes, here we are. See how simple this is, guys? I just kind of took it down. I do have a love sign there along the top of those hooks. And we're going to get ready and start decorating for Valentine's Day, but we're not doing it right now. Have an amazing day, guys. God bless you. Amen.